smack a lot. I just can't. Please sit down. You can't handle it. Go on, okay? Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carolina. Decided to come back with another video. As you can see from the title, I was making KFC chicken. And yeah, this is my version of KFC chicken. If it's not KFC to you, girl, it's okay. You call whatever you want, whatever you want. Right about now, you're going to see how I made it. I want you to pause, like this video first of all. Like it, please. Thumbs up, please. And for the ones that haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, now let's go to the video. So it's so simple. First of all, you want to make sure you have 3 containers, glasses, whatever you can have. But thing, the first container, you have to put a cup of plain flour. Just have a separate bowl with nothing. I'm going to show you right now what you're going to put in there. Then have another container with 2 cups of flour. So I have my meat ready here. I want to show you first about this meat. I have my chicken ready. They're about 10 pieces. You can have 8 pieces of chicken. You can marinate it the way you want. There is no rule in this bowl. We're going to have 3 eggs, Sprite or club soda, just a cup or the small bottle. Yes, like that. And then you're going to need 1 cup of flour inside here. Chicken in and whisk. And inside here you want to make sure you put some salt. You have to spice it up. You're gonna add your paprika and a little bit of white pepper, just a little bit. Fine. Then now we put this aside and we come to our 3rd step or whatever. This is going to be our 3rd step. So in this 3rd step you have 2 cups of flour, if you remember. So you're going to just put white pepper, paprika, just use teaspoons of everything. Then ginger, don't put too much ginger, it might get bitter, just a little bit. Then garlic powder. Dip, and you mix it up well, like that. Make sure it coats well. Dust off the excess, put it inside the butter. The chicken is going to be worth it. So this is the 3rd step. Woo. Make sure you drain the excess and throw it there. Then you press, make sure you press that flour to be, press the chicken. You want it to be well coated. You don't want dripping. You want it to dry up. And then you shake off the excess. Place it on a clean place. So your oil should be looking like this. Don't put a lot of oil, just put a little, like quarter of the sufuria. This is the type of sufuria I'm using. Make sure you use something close to that. So now the oil has been heating up for 20 good minutes, and now I'm going to dip up my chicken because I know it's ready. Woo. So what I want to tell you guys also is that you have to cook for your drumsticks. Cook them for about 15 to 17 minutes, and then for the chicken breast and the chicken thighs, cook that for about 18 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, that is very important. And your heat should be very medium, as you can see mine, because you really want this to cook up very well. Okay, so when your chicken comes out, it should be looking like this. Okay guys, so that's how I basically made this chicken. Super easy, super fast. You can make it at home. If you like dipping your ketchup, just dip it. By the way guys, I have to be honest about one thing. This I will not finish because, as you know, this is just for display. It's not for eating, it's just for display. So please, if I don't finish it, don't mind. But right now, mmm, mmm, the crunch. Enjoy the crunch with me. Today I have a message I want to bring out to you. I brought it out on my IG and I got quite a response. People were DMing me, asking me what's up, but actually nothing was wrong. I just felt like talking about it. By the way, if I'm smacking a lot, don't mind. I can't talk while eating, so I end up smacking. Kuna mtu by the way, kuna time comment, oh, Carolina, you smack a lot. I just can't. Girl, just click out of the video. Hello? Like what wengine, like you just look for flaws in someone. When someone is doing good, you can't comment. But when something is flopping, that's when you know how to come and comment. Please sit down. You can't handle it. Go on, okay? Yes, I know I should accept hating and whatever, but mambo mengine By this nimeanza na moto and I haven't even started the video. So on to today's topic, something that I myself have experienced, and I thought I should advise some people here because I feel like some of us are so deep into like what our friends think of us and all that. I'm eating and I've forgotten that I've made this chicken. After I've forgotten to review how it tastes like, but it tastes amazing. I don't know. Here, can you see that? And it's crunchy on the outside. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but it's crunchy on the outside and juicy in the inside. I totally forgot if I'm the one who's made this. Honestly, you have to try it out. I've noticed that even on YouTube or anything that I do, the only moment I see my friends or people commenting that I know is the time that I've achieved something that I wanted to have. The moment that I've achieved it is when people are like, oh, congrats, Carol, oh, nini, nini, oh. And one thing, while I'm talking about this, I want you to understand one thing. I'm not talking about this because I feel hurt or I need the attention. I don't. Actually, this is just free talk. I thought I should talk to someone out there. I thought someone maybe is going through something, and since I was able to get out of it, I think this is going to help that person. Most of our friends, they don't help you out when you're having a business, when you're starting out on like a YouTube channel. They don't even support you. They don't give you like that kick, like every time you upload, they're on the comments, they're on the likes. Like me, if all my friends decided to like my videos, I'm telling you, I'd be having like 100 likes every time. But you know what, it's life. It is what it is, and that's the reality. They don't care most of the time. Most people only care once, like, like everyone is talking about you, like, oh, Carolina Kamame, oh, I know that chick, I went to school with that chick, you know what, but the truth is your friends barely root for you while you're not looking, but when you're staring, they're rooting for you. When you're not, they're not. And strangers, someone you barely know, and this is something I realized because there's this one YouTuber, a big YouTuber, who came to me and told me that someone inboxed me and told me that you're a foodie in Mombasa, and I was like, wow, who is this? I'd love to know this person, like who rooted for me while I don't even know, because I know it's not even my friend. I know, because if it was my friend, they'd come back to tell me. So that really woke me up, and I was like, wow, people that you don't even know are praying for you. People that you don't even know are busy sharing your videos. They are the ones liking your videos. Like, it's crazy, but that's the truth of the matter. It's just the world. And I'm glad I came to accept it, because I remember when I was younger, I used to care so much about what people think. I used to care so much about friendships. I used to care so much about having a crowd of friends. But with time, once I gave birth early, like when I had a baby early, because I had a baby in my teens, you know, some of your friends, you lose most of your friends, because they're like, at that time it was like, hey, she's having a baby right now, wow, that's crazy, you know, people are like talking ill about that situation. So I'm even glad that I gave birth at that time, because I learned so much and I grew up a lot. And actually right now I'm okay not having crowds, and I love it, I'm telling you, because I've had so many secrets that no one even knows. I've overcome a lot of things that I was going through. I've overcome them. No one even knew about it. It's not bad to have friends. I also have friends, yes, but I don't really have those like best friend. This is my BFF, you know. No. But that doesn't exist. It doesn't. That's the truth of the matter. People out here are snakes, I'm telling you. And then you might also be attracting the energy that's not for you. Like you might be hanging on someone, kumbe you, if you aren't around this person, your things would be going right, if you believe in energies and vibrations. Right now I know I'm going to get thumbs up from strangers. By the way, strangers, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you so much, and you're forever in my prayers. And for the friends who are real, it's good. God bless you too, you know. What I can say, from now on, try helping strangers so that it may come back to you. What goes around always comes back. Usikate kusaidia a stranger because you're saying actually, or it won't be recognized, like no one will know I even help them. I want to help a friend so that they may also help me too in my own time. Let me tell you, God sees everything. And once you help someone that you don't even know, and you don't even expect anything in return, let me tell you, God is going to bring it back double. Try, then tell me. I've started eating this with like a lot of maffinio, and now I'm feeling full. But it's so nice. Have you guys realized that this quarantine has taught us to like cook a lot of things we didn't even think we could cook? I didn't know how to make bread. I used to think it's the hardest thing ever, but I've been making it like no one's business, and it's so tasty. I can never even buy bread again from the supermarket. Wow. I'm now happy. I feel happy. I feel full. I feel satisfied. I thank God for this food. Of course, I've told you that this was for display, so please don't come for me. I'm gonna see you on my next one. For now, bye.